Alright, in number 9, we have the question over here. Everything is fine, no need for changing anything. So we can just find the answer straight away. Negative 3 times 2 will give you negative 6. Negative 3 subtract 1 will give you negative 4. Half times minus 3 will give you minus 3 over 2. Write down x. Half minus 1. Put in the calculator, you'll end up with minus half. This 1 times that 2 will give you plus 2. And then I'll be left with x to the 0. I can ignore negative 3. The derivative is 0. I can ignore that. So, there's the final answer. And number 10, f of x is equal to half x to the half minus 4x to the 3/4 plus 2x to the minus 2 minus 3. Once again, no need to change anything. Everything is in the way we want it. In other words, everything is a term and there are no unknowns in the denominator. So we can find the answer. F prime x is equal to half times half will give you quarter. Put it in your calculator. X. Half minus 1 will give you minus half. 3 over 4 times minus 4. Put it in your calculator. You'll get minus 3. Write down x. Now 3/4 minus 1. 3/4 minus 1 will end up minus quarter. Negative 2 times plus 2 will give you negative 4. Write down x. Negative 2 subtract 1. Negative 2 subtract 1. In your calculator you'll end up with negative 3. The constant or the derivative of minus 3 is 0, which I can ignore. So that is your final answer. So I do hope that you had all of these correct and that you enjoyed doing these basics or very simple examples. If you know how to do these simple examples, then in our next session we are going to take some questions from the exam paper and work them out. So we'll give you 1 or 2 seconds just to have a look at that, and then we will move to working out some examples from an examination paper.